Sustainable housing for all. That's the mission of BOXABL. We are here in their factory in Las Vegas, Nevada, and we're going to speak to one of the co-founders and director of engineering, along with the CFO, about how they're revolutionizing the housing sector. Only on Taking Stock. Your factory is about 400,000 square feet.
Correct.
You're literally changing lives. You are revolutionizing the housing sector. But talk to me more from a financial standpoint, how you're going about doing that.
Right. I'm very happy that you managed to come because this is putting actually the reality on what we were speaking in New York. This is about advanced manufacturing. Advanced manufacturing is cost effective, it's about quality, and it's also about sustainability. How we're going to do that from the financial point of view? Clearly, behind the fundamentals of advanced manufacturing and transitioning the housing industry from building a house in months to building a house in days or in hours is how you're going to be doing the revolution that the industry is needing right now.
And production is really, it's actually scaled up right now. You're averaging about two houses, right? A day.
It's only with one shift, and the reason is because the permitting in US is very fragmented. It's taken a lot of time in order to be approved to be a modular house. We're now approving Arizona, California, New Mexico, and that is the key. Our houses are built to building code. You can live safe in our houses, and that takes a long period in order to be approved. And we're right there now, and we're going to start raising capacity very soon in order to deliver our waiting list.
Kyle Denman is the director of engineering at BOXABL, and he's also the co-founder. He explained the importance of having a product that can be sustainably mass-produced.
Nobody's really cracked a product that can be used anywhere. So the idea was to come up with a housing product that could be mass manufacturable. So you get the speed, the quality, the cost savings that come with mass manufacturing, and do it in a way where we can have a product that works everywhere. The current facility that we're standing in now is the main manufacturing facility. So about 180,000 square feet. It's got our assembly line down that way, building the actual houses themselves. It's got a pre-assembly line down here where we build the panels. So it's our own panel for walls, floors, and roofs. And then we've just acquired 2 more buildings over the last couple of years.
And talk to me about what we saw today. We saw studio BOXABL houses, right? And then we also saw a few different variations of them. I mean, it's just a little sneak peek as to what's to come.
Yes, the whole concept was it's a building technology, right? So the casita, what a lot of people have seen, is a floor plan. It's an iteration intended for like the California ADU market, backyard modules. So now we're expanding into larger products, larger uses. So taking 2 or 3 of them, putting together to make single and 2 and 3 bedrooms, and serving the larger housing market.
Okay, amazing. Well, thank you so much for joining me today.
Absolutely, thank you.